चेयरमैन पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने कहा है कि जब तक पाकिस्तान और भारत मसला कश्मीर को हल नहीं करते, जनूबी एशिया में अमन एक ख्वाब रहेगा। गैर मुल्की मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान की सरजमीन पर भारत के मिसाइल हमलों के बाद दोनों जोरी हथियारों से लैस पड़ोसियों के दरमियान कशीदगी बढ़ गई है।
I believe that peace in South Asia will be but a dream. Does that mean that we should refuse to talk with one another? Absolutely not. For the last 2 weeks, Pakistan has been on the receiving end of one after another of unfounded allegations without any supporting evidence. And all over the world it is known you're innocent and proven guilty. Accuse me of a crime, but produce the evidence and at least have a trial. Here, India has become judge, jury, and executioner, and they're not targeting military targets. They targeted civilians and innocent children. They violated Pakistan's sovereign territory. Any sovereign nation on the planet would have no choice but to respond in such a circumstance. The cause of Kashmir is far too noble, is far too grand for the people of Kashmir or the people of Pakistan to need to rely on terrorism. Terrorism is not only a distraction, it's solace, the legitimate struggle for self-determination by the people of Kashmir. It is used as a wolf whistle for India to demonize its minorities within its own country, the Muslims within India, and internationally to deflect from its own security challenges, its own.
क्या आप कारोबार की तशहीर चाहते हैं या सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म मैनेज कराना चाहते हैं? तो देर कैसी, अभी राब्ता करें ओनली न्यूज की टीम से। हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर आपकी स्क्रीन पर है।